Skoda Auto India has been long known for making brilliant cars, primarily sporty sedans and poor after-sales network. All that is going to change pretty soon. Now the first in-line SUV offensive starts with the Karoq. We drive the car, tell you 6 absolutely fantastic things about this SUV and 3 ways how it failed to impress us. You are watching Times of India. I am Anirban. Karoq is a well-groomed European SUV with tidy layout and decent level of fit and finish. Many may call it a baby Kodiaq, yet I love the fact that it is not as quirky as the Yeti. Everything is all LED, headlights, tail lights, fog lamps and DRLs. The stance is stubby and the sophistication is played up by multiple sharp elements like the edgy lights or the 10-spoke alloy wheels or the Skoda badging on the tailgate. The Audi-like cockpit with an interactive UI looks fantastic. The one-touch panoramic sunroof, electrically adjustable front seats with memory function on driver's side, a vibrant 8-inch infotainment system is slick to touch. With dual zone air conditioning and 8-speaker sound system in place, the second row occupants do not feel left out. The best thing, however, is that there is nothing to mix and match. Karoq comes in just one fully loaded trim. Karoq comes with VW Group's potent 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission. 150 PS and 250 Nm under the hood, Karoq is one smooth performer on the road. The initial response is not all that great, yet you would really appreciate the strong mid-range which revs all the way down to the red line. The engine is peppy, refined and the cabin isolates itself well from the noise. The DSG transmission is eager to climb up the gears. It's smart and responsive. However, during downshifts, you might just feel the operation a little sluggish. As far as safety goes, Volkswagen Group is very serious with its products globally. The Skoda Karoq has scored 5 stars in global crash test rating and gets as many as 9 airbags inside the cabin. The car also packs some serious active and passive safety features. Skoda's Funda has been simply clever. I mean, look around the SUV, you get multiple wow factors. The boot is cavernous at 530 liters. I concede you have to lift the boot and it's not an automatic, but the smart touches inside are fancy. You get a LED light inside the boot, hooks to hang stuff and one-touch knob to fold the rear seats. Interestingly, your kids need not tuck the wrappers and waists in the door pockets anymore. A smart bin pocket allows you to store them until you clean up the SUV. A full-sized hanger fixed on the neck of the front seat allows you to place your blazer. The smart storage area beside the steering wheel and the dashboard expand the practicality. The light theme interior and gallons of storage would make you feel 25 lakh well spent. The seats are nice, comfortable and large. The backrest angle for the rear seats are not very steep. Also, there is a headrest for the middle row passenger. From touch and feel, Skoda has left no stones unturned to offer the conveniences of a luxury car. One single largest drawback for the Karoq has to be the size. To be honest, it does not stand out in the crowd, especially due to the low height than most of its rivals. Also, inside the cabin, you are seated low. That means driving the car feels more dynamic. However, not having the feel of the high pedestal SUV may not be taken in good light by Indian customers. Karoq comes to India as completely built unit, which justifies the hefty price tag of Rs 25 lakh. The European spec is offered with a 4x4 while India does not get one. That said, front wheel drive isn't a deal breaker. What may turn a little disturbing is the firm suspension setup, which are not ideal to tackle the bad and broken roads here. Also, leather seats in India call for ventilation. The air conditioning is dual zone instead of 3, and in blistering summer it actually takes a little too long to get going.
Service and after-sales network are a huge issue for the Skoda brand in India, but the year 2021 is going to be very big as the company is planning to launch the BS6 Kodiaq, the 4th generation Octavia, the production-ready Vision IN and a brand new sedan. So ahead of all these big launches, the company is on an intense roadmap to strengthen its network across the country.